Welcome to InvoratecAI, your intelligent Revit assistant for task management and AI automation. Today, we're introducing our newest feature, voice-to-text command. Now you can simply talk to Revit, and AI will do the work for you. Inside Revit, you'll see the new AI Assistant panel. Here, you can automate tasks, sync data from Excel, and manage sheets all in one place. Just tap the microphone icon at the bottom and say your command. Let's try the first demo. Remove all tags in the current view. InvoratecAI listens, understands, and instantly clears all the tags in the active view. No typing, no searching through menus, just one simple voice command. Now let's move on to a more advanced command. Replace EL with EP for all selected elements. The AI quickly processes the request and updates every selected element from EL to EP. Smart, fast, and precise. That's the power of InvoratecAI's voice-driven automation. With InvoratecAI, your Revit workflow becomes truly hands-free. Speak naturally and let AI handle the rest. Experience the future of BIM automation, only with InvoratecAI.